You're supposed to be knocking each other's brains out. We signed a peace treaty, Squidward. You were right. Fighting is for children. Oh, no, I missed
Are you
Daddy?
done, Daddy?
Let the war continue. Squidward, that wasn't the peace treaty.
Are Daddy done? No. He tried to take the poo-poo. Make sure you flush the hell over here, Daddy. All right, Daddy? Hey.
Okay.
Excuse me, Squidward. You get back to work. I can see where this is going. Let's just say for all intents and purposes that Squidward am now part of this war. If you're in this war, then where's your fort? I don't know.
You're going on a minute 5.
Fort's one more, Squidward. Okay, go on a fort. There's your fort. Now, your fort's too small, Squidward. It's okay, Patrick. It's just a demonstration. Now, he's right, Squidward. Everything you're going to protect you, it's downright duty. Trust me, it's fine. See, it is too small. Does that crouch down? I mean, you didn't even give me a chance to crouch down. Down here, I am perfectly exposed. You two, please. Stop throwing. Stop us.
You done? Are they gone?
Squidward, return fire. Wait, now was this giving a demonstration?
Handsome baby.